What's up, family? Welcome to DDINS Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the video.
What's up, family? So for my Philly cheesesteak sandwich, I'm going to use ribeye steak, onions, green peppers, mushroom, Himalayan pink salt, and black pepper. I love Philly cheesesteak and the story behind it. I think it's pretty cool. Great dishes are made by design, not by mistake in my eyes. Alright, without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take our ribeye steak and we're going to cut a nice block out of it. And then we're going to put the rest up for another dish. Let me know what you think it is. Now we're going to go ahead and cut thin slices out of our ribeye. You can cut the excess fat off if you want. That's what I'm doing. You can keep it if you wish. Okay. Now we're going to take our pan. We're going to put some extra virgin olive oil. Let that get hot, and we're going to put our steak onto it. We're going to add a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. You can use whatever salt you like. And a little bit of black pepper, and that's all the seasoning that you're going to need. Let me go ahead and tap it some more so let some more come out of it. And we're going to cook this down till it turns brown. Oh yeah! Look at that. Okay, then we're going to add in our onions, green pepper, and our mushrooms. Put the lid on it to let it simmer some. Give me a like. Look at that. Okay, quick fact.
Where was Philly cheesesteaks originated? According to Philadelphia's official tourism site, Pat Olivieri invented the cheesesteak in 1930s. Olivieri was a hot dog vendor in South Philadelphia who, as the story goes, decided to grill some beef from a butcher and put it on an Italian roll. A cab driver caught a whiff of this and asked for a steak sandwich. Pretty cool.
That is pretty cool, and I like the story behind it. Now we're going to go ahead and mix these together. Get to simmer up real well and get some flavor in all of the vegetables that we have here. Cover that up some. Now we're going to separate the two. I'm making two sandwiches here. And we're going to add our provolone cheese. Yes. We're going to cover this for about 15 seconds. And this is what we're looking at. Magical. You guys did that. Okay, let's plate this up for you guys. Man, this is beautiful. Now I can't eat any of it this time. I made this for somebody, but look at that. If you guys like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at the bottom right. Thanks for joining me today. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 500 DDINS and to our next food adventure. Peace.